Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam, welcome to the channel, y'all. Cheshni Akshumash, good day, y'all. I'm going to be doing a update of my Shark Stratos that I have had now for, it's got to be about 6 weeks. And I've been using it every day. And what I've been trying to do is use it like an end user. So, like I said, it gets used multiple times during the day. I've used the stair tool a lot. It's the only thing I've used to do the stairs. I haven't wiped it over. The only thing I have done, if I just remove the body, is the filters. I have vacuumed off the filters. I haven't washed them. I have vacuumed them off. And I have ordered another pack of the filters so I can have one on, one off, one on, one off, so I can keep them in a good condition. Have I had any issues with it yet? Not really. What I want to do is to take a look of it and see what is, what it looks like underneath, what it looks like inside here. Like I said, the only thing I have done is emptied it out. I think there was once when I used another vacuum to clean out the inside of it because there was a lot of debris stuck on the like filter thing, cone, but that's as far as I've done with it. I haven't done any proper cleaning with it. I've really tried to use it as an end user. So let's get you guys a little bit closer and we can see how the Shark Stratos has done 6 weeks on. So the first thing I want to do is to take a look at the handle. It's a little bit rubbed on here because I have a device that I can push it onto the wall so I can keep it up off the wall, and it has caused some marks on this even though that it's rubber. The hose and everything has been fine. These buttons are so close together that when I'm trying to blindly find it, I often push the wrong button when I want to try and take the bin off. I end up pushing this button. So these buttons being really close together can be a little bit confusing on times, but I've got to sort of like feel exactly which button I've got, whether it's the twist button or it's the release the bin button. But there's a little bit of dust inside on the connectors there that's leaked through. But apart from that, everything is fine. This thing, the smelly thing, I really don't notice much about it at all. I wouldn't say, oh wow, yeah, I can smell it in the air, because I really can't. I don't know, maybe it does help with the odors or anything, but it's not a noticeable smell. Let's take a look underneath. Oh, there is some stuff stuck on there. Let's turn it on. So there is some stuff here stuck in the teeth, something metal. Let's give it a go. Where's that metal thing so I can get rid of that? No, that really hasn't made much difference. There's still dirt stuck in there. Right, okay, let's twist these off and have a look. There is dust stuck inside there, which you'd expect. How do you remove you can't. I thought you'd be able to just pop this brush roll out, but it seems like another one. You have to take the whole blooming thing apart. Okay, let's vac it off. The roller is not manky or dirty, so that's okay. But I can't take that out. It would be nice because I want to clean this thing, but there's no easy access to clean it. That's a shame. Not much I can do with this. Let's pop this back in. There we go. That's back on. So really hard then to be able to clean that. That's going to stay dirty unless you really take it apart, and not everyone's going to be able to do that. Let's give it a bit of a polish while I've got it here. I do like using it, and it is very, very good at picking up all the fine dust. I do like the light on it as well. I've had no issues with things tangling on it because I've been vacuuming up bits of sort of like angel hairs from the Christmas tree, and nothing's got tied up in it. Unfortunately, these vacuums do need maintenance on them far more than you would with others. So far, all is good with the dust head and the pickup. I have no issues with it at all. When I've been going from carpets to rugs to hard floors, it's been really good. So I have no issues with that so far. Let's take a look at the upholstery mechanized one. Again, how on earth do you get that out to clean it? Pull. How can I pull if this cover's on? Ah. Well, that's nice and clear. So that's on a hinge. My God. Right, okay, so I didn't know that. That is on a hinge that you flick out, and then you can pull out the little brush roll. Well, there's no brushes on it, it's just fins. But I do wish it would have some brushes and fins. But again, no major issues with that using it. It's worked really well. Let's take a look at the main body. The one thing I would recommend with this is getting the version with 2 batteries, or buying another battery. Having the 2 batteries has made it really useful. I'm glad I spent that extra and had 2 batteries. Let's remove the bin itself. Oh, I've just opened the bin, great. Okay, let's remove the bin. Let's have a look at the filters are absolutely dust ridden. Absolutely full of dust. So if I were you, I would be checking these filters more frequently than I have. So I hadn't checked this filter for 3 weeks. You need to be checking them, and I'm going to be checking them every week now. I have bought another set. That desperately needs a wash, but I'll keep on using it until the new ones come, and then I'll give it a wash, but I'll leave it in there for now, it's fine. The actual dustbin itself, you can empty it out, but you're still going to get stuff stuck inside there. This part here makes it a little bit difficult for you to clean it, and that doesn't come out. So you don't have to keep this bin immaculate, completely dust-free. That's fine as it is with a bit of dust in it. That's not a problem. But as you can see, it does spill out a lot of dust through the filters. So it's not ideal. And you can't just take this out for washing it either. It's so stupid. You have to take the screws out to be able to take this off. There's a gasket in there as well. I don't understand why they just don't do it like the cheaper vacuums, where you can take that off, you can wash the whole thing, you know, every couple of months. But no, you can't get access to it properly to really clean it, which is a pain. So make sure that you clean inside this area as well. So the only thing I can really suggest is if you don't have a secondary vacuum like I do, you could use sort of like a dusting brush or a dustpan and brush set thing, the brush on it, as long as it's clean, and then you can sort of like brush bits of the dirt or any debris out, dust and whatever. You can take that out. Fits together really easy. I've really enjoyed using it. I've had no issues with it. The pickup on it has been really, really good. But like with the other Shark that I used to have, the corded one, again, its pickup is really good, but the dustbin area aspect of it is pretty rubbish, to be honest. Which is sort of like, you know, I've really tried not to sort of like over clean it like an enthusiast would, but to just try and use it as an end user, which is all fine, but you can't just leave them. They do require maintenance to maintain them. And these things aren't cheap. I mean, this is like £450. I love the display on it. I love the being able to change it to low, high, clean sense. I normally leave it on clean sense, which is the automatic, all the time. I don't generally use any other setting on it. But the only thing I would suggest on it is check the filters regularly. Keep checking your filters. If you're using it a lot and you have a big house, check them every week and just make sure they're clean. Go and get yourself some spare ones so you've got some washing and some cleaning. Considering the price of this, I am a bit disappointed that it didn't come with a spare set of filters, but hey ho. So over and all, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 for now, because I've only added a short period of time, and everyone knows that a new broom sweeps clean. The smell function on it, I haven't noticed it at all whilst using it. The bin hasn't been stinking that much, but I don't really leave, it's not that big enough a bin to sort of like leave it for weeks, and I don't have molting smelly head dogs, so I'm not going to really notice the benefit of it, but I can't smell it. Quality wise, so far so good. I have had no issues at all, and I'm happy with the purchase so far. So this is the 6-week update on the Shark Stratos. This is the Pet Pro version with 2 batteries, and also it has the smell-a-thon thing on it. I will do a demonstration using the anti-wrap technology. I've saved a bunch of the Christmas tree, I want to say genitalia, but it's not genitalia, it's whatever it's called. Anyway, I'm going to take that, I'll bring it in and I'll do another demo in a few weeks once I've used it a bit more. So I hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you in the next episode. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys very soon.